To file your income tax return using your Form 16, go to quicko.com. Click on Upload Now button shown in the pop-up. You will be redirected to the Form 16 upload page. Here you can either drag and drop your Form 16 or browse them from your computer. Upload Form 16 in a valid format. In case you upload images, it won't be read. In that case, you will have to enter the details manually. Upload Form 16 Part A and Part B in either merged or separate PDF. Form 16 Part A is a TDS certificate and salary containing employer, employee and TDS details, and Form 16 Part B contains a detailed breakdown of your salary. Enter your email address and click on Upload. All your Form 16 information is read and pre-filled. In case your Form 16 is in the older format, all your details may not have been read accurately. In that case, you can go ahead and add or edit the details. Agree and continue. If you have multiple Form 16s, then go ahead and upload them or move to the next step by clicking on Review. You will now be redirected to your Quicko profile. Navigate to ITR and review your return. Complete your profile. Complete your profile to e-file your return. Enter your date of birth, Aadhaar, and father's name. Continue. Select your residential status and enter your mobile number. Save and continue. Enter your bank details. Your primary bank account is where you will get your tax refund. Review your computation for a final check and e-file. In case you're not confident, you can have a CA review your ITR. E-file your return. Your ITR is now successfully submitted and you will receive a confirmation email after it's e-filed. You have e-filed your income tax return using Quicko within 5 minutes.